BabyTales.
Hey there, creative confectioners. Today, we're stirring up some monstrous fun as we draw and color a larger-than-life cupcake, straight out of your wildest dessert dreams. Get ready for a sweet and spooky art adventure. Let's start by sketching out our monstrous cupcake. Picture a towering confection with spiky frosting, googly eyes, and maybe even some tentacles. Let your imagination run wild as you sketch out this delightfully creepy dessert. Now open the paper and draw the monster. Now, let's add some spooky details to our cupcake. Draw in those sharp teeth and slimy tentacles. The spookier, the better. Don't be afraid to get creative and add your own monstrous flair. Time to add some color to our monstrous cupcake. Choose bold and vibrant hues for the frosting, and don't forget to add some eerie shadows and highlights to give it that extra spooky vibe. Let your imagination run wild as you bring this monstrous creation to life. Once you're happy with your coloring, add any final touches to your artwork. Maybe add some sprinkles of candy eyeballs or gummy worms for an extra creepy effect. Let your creativity run wild and make this monstrous cupcake truly your own. Remember, this is your monstrous masterpiece, so don't be afraid to get creative and add your own spooky touches. Whether it's adding extra frosting or giving it a unique flavor, let your imagination run wild like a monster in a candy shop. And there you have it, a monstrously delicious cupcake ready to haunt your taste buds. We've turned our paper into a canvas of spooky sweetness. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more fun and creative art tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing, happy coloring, and may your monstrous creations haunt your dreams in the best way possible.